Okay, children, now we will discuss about comparing numbers. Comparing numbers. So comparison of numbers means what? Comparison of numbers means what? Can able to say either a number is larger than another one or smaller than another one. Which is greatest number and which is smallest number. These kind of things undercomes which one? Comparing of numbers. For example, a number is given like this. Two numbers are given, 25 and 27. Which one is the greatest here? 27 is the greatest number. Okay, than which number? 25. Here we are comparing these two numbers. That's why either saying greatest or smallest. That comes that undercomes which one? Comparing of numbers. Next, similarly, writing the order, either ascending order or descending order. What is the ascending order and what is the descending order means? Writing of a numbers in order from smaller number to bigger number. That is ascending order. From smaller number to bigger number, that is ascending. And next, what is descending order? Descending order means we have to arrange numbers in the order from bigger number to smaller number. Okay, so we will discuss about that kind of things in comparing of numbers, means in the exercise second. So first one, comparing of numbers means we can able to say which number is larger and which number is smaller. For example, if a 5-digit number is given, what are the numbers given? 25,327. And next, 25,468. Okay, while writing the numbers, remember 1, 2, 3. After 3 digits, you have to write a comma. So 25,327, 25,468. In these two numbers, which is greatest number and which is smallest number? How we can say which is greatest and which is smallest? So first one, start from the 10,000s unit. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Start from 10,000s digit. What are there in 10,000s digit? 2. Here also in 10,000s we have what? 2 only. Both are same. If there is same in the 10,000s, then go to thousands place. What are in thousands place? 5 is there in thousands place. Here also we have 5 in the thousands place. Both are same. So if the thousands also same, then go to which one? Hundreds place. What are there in hundreds place? 3 is in hundreds place here. 4 is in hundreds place here. They are different. And 3 is smaller. 3 is smaller. So that's why what we can say, this number is smaller. 4 is larger. That's why this number is larger. Okay. In this way, we can identify which is greatest number and which is smallest number. Okay. First, we have to start from the last digit. Either it is 10,000s or lakhs or thousands, whatever it is. We have to start from the last digit and observe the last digits are same or not. If they are same, then go to other one. If they are not same, then identify which is bigger and which is smaller. Okay. Now, using of the symbols. What are the symbols? What these symbols are called? What these symbols are called? This symbol is called less than. Less than. This is called what? Greater than. And this symbol is called what? Equals to. Okay, these are the three symbols we have. We have to place the symbols between the numbers. Okay, less than, greater than, and equals. So remember one thing. This one edge towards which number? Smaller number, and these two edges towards the greater number always. These numbers should indicate, these two edges indicates which number? Larger number, and this one edge indicates which number? Smaller number. Okay, whether it is greater than or less than, just write like that. Two edges towards larger one. Which is larger in these two numbers? We said this is smaller, so this is larger. Which symbol you have to write? This symbol you have to write. These two edges towards which one? Larger number. So what is the symbol? Less than. 25,327 is less than 25,468. Okay. Now similarly, for example, if any numbers are given here, what we are taking? 3,469 and next 2,675. Okay. Use less than or greater than or equals to. Which symbol we have to use here? Which symbol you have to use? First identify which is bigger number. Which is bigger? First what I said, start from the first one. What is the first number here? 3. What is the first number here? 2. Which is bigger? 3 is bigger. So this number is bigger and this number is smaller. I said always you have to show two edges towards the bigger number. So these two edges towards the bigger number. Now what we can say? 3,469 is greater than 2,675. Okay. Example, I am writing another number. 37,625, 37,636. Okay, where we have to place comma after 37. Now what symbol you have to use? What symbol? Which is bigger in both of them? 3, 3, 7, 7, 6, 6, 2, 3. At this number they are different. 2, 3. 2 is smaller, so this number is smaller than this one. Okay, it is smaller, so bigger number is this. What I said, the two edges towards the bigger number only. No, 37,625 is less than which one? 37,636. Okay, in this way we have to use greater than, less than or equals to. When we use equals to symbol, I am writing another number 51,465, 51,465. Observe which is bigger and which is smaller. 5, 5, 1, 1, 4, 4, 6, 6, 5, 5. All are same. If the numbers like this, if all are same, then we should write equal symbol between them. Okay. So you have to identify to write the which one? Less than, greater than or equal symbol. To write them, first you have to identify greater number or smaller number in the following given numbers. Okay, right? Now let us start exercise 1.2 and discuss few bits in the exercise. Exercise 1.2. Open exercise 1.2 in page number 12. Page number 12. First bit. What is the first bit in that? Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with the less than, greater than or equals to. Okay, we have to fill the blanks. Example, first number, first A is given. What is the first problem? 43,234. 43,234 dash 43,112. Which symbol you have to use? Which one? Just observe in the in the previous I said what I said. Observe the numbers from starting. What are the starting numbers? 4, 4. They are same. 3, 3. They are also same. 2 and this is 1. So 1 is smaller and 2 is larger. So what we have to use? The bigger number, towards bigger number we have to write these two ends. So greater than symbol you have to write here. Okay. Similarly, B. What is the problem B? 67,272 dash 63,978. Okay, 67,272, 63,978. Which is bigger number? 67,000. It is 63,000. 6 equal. Here 7 and this is 3. 7 is larger. So 7 is larger. That's why what you have to write? Greater than symbol you have to write. Okay. Similarly, next one. What is next one? I am taking which one? Example number. Problem number E. What is problem number E? 78,970 dash 78,968. What is the symbol you have to use? Which is bigger? 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9. Next 7 and 6. So up to 3 same digits are there, and here we have 7 and 6. Which is smaller? 6 is smaller than which one? 7. So 7 is large. That's why this number is bigger. So we have to use which symbol? Greater than symbol. Okay, like this. Try to complete the first bit remaining problems. Okay, only writing these symbols in the textbook itself. Now the second bit is given. What is the second bit? Ring the greatest number in each of the following. Ring the greatest number. In each of the following. Ring the greatest number in each of the following. So greatest number means larger number you have to identify and ring it. Ring means you have to draw a circle around it. So problem A. What is problem A? 10,819, comma 9,819, comma 10,918. Okay. So observe these three numbers and identify which is the greater number here, greatest number here. Read them. 10,819, 9,819, 10,918. So it is 10,000 and this is 9,000. Which is larger? 10,000 is larger. In these two numbers, which is larger? 10,000. But here we have 10,000 and here also we have 10,000. 10,819, 10,918. 819, 918. Which is bigger? Which is bigger? 900 is bigger. So, which is the greatest number among these? 10,918. It is the biggest number. It is the greatest number. Then circle that number. Okay. Similarly, problem B. What is problem B? 84,137. Next, 84,371. Next, 84,173. Okay. Now, if you can't able to identify directly, then what you have to observe? Observe the first number like this, 8, and here also you have 8, and it is also 8. Same. 4, 4, 4. Same. 1, 3, 1. So which is greater in these three? 3 is greater. It is 1, it is 3, it is 1. So 3 is greater. So this number is greater. Circle like this. Okay. So in this way, we have to ring the greatest number in that one. Similarly, the third bit is there. Ring the smallest number. Ring the smallest number in each of the following. So like this only you have to do, but which number you have to identify? Smallest number you have to identify. Okay, open textbooks and page number 12, exercise 1.2 is there. In the first bit you have to identify what is less than, greater than or equal symbols, and in the second bit identify the greatest number. In the third bit identify the smallest number. So solve these problems.